Alright guys, for sample problem number 2. For sample problem number 2, a boat moves slowly out of the marina so as to not leave a wake with a speed of 1.50 meters per second. As soon as it passes the breakwater leaving the marina, it throttles up and accelerates at 2.40 meters per second square. Okay, how fast is the boat moving after accelerating for 5 seconds? Excuse me. Okay, masakit na talaga. Mamaya na yung alarm na yan, emergency alert. Okay, I'm safe, don't worry. Okay, so now guys, so ayan. Ngayon, in this case, may nakita ba kayong equation? So kung wala kayong nakitang equations, basically, we are finding the average velocity and the formula for average velocity and acceleration. Okay guys, these are the kinematic equations pala. To remind you lang guys, alam ko familiar kayo dito. These are kinematic equations derived from the average velocity or the average or the constant acceleration. So, ibig sabihin, fixed yung formulas na yan, kailangan lang alam natin kung ano yung hinahanap at tinatanong. Okay. In this case, okay, isa-isahin natin yan. Okay. Always remember guys, sa pagsosolve at saka gusto ko rin ganito pag kayo ay naghahanap o meron kayong something na hinahanap, okay. Always remember that ang gusto ko is i-include nyo muna yung dalawa. Given and find. Pag walang ganyan, yung seat work nyo, assignments, in terms of this solving this type of problems, mamali ko talaga. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, for given, okay, at sa A, ano po muna hinahanap? Ang A natin, ito, how fast is the boat moving after accelerating for 5 seconds? How fast? Ano ibig sabihin kaya nun? Okay? How fast is the boat moving after? Ibig sabihin ng after is after a specific time and accelerating at a specific time, ilan na yung speed niya. Ibig sabihin, parang future yung iniisip natin. Ilan na daw or gano'n siya magiging kabilis kung siya ay mag-accelerate for 5 seconds. Ibig sabihin, ang hinahanap natin dito, since how fast naman, gano'n kabilis, it is the final velocity. Pag may nakita kayong after, ibig sabihin, yun guys, yung final natin. Ang keyword natin for final velocity is the word after. Okay, ibig sabihin, from point initially, after specific time or after specific acceleration, ilan na yung final velocity niya. Ganoon lang naman yun. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung hinahanap natin sa una. Okay? Now, for the given natin, how fast is the boat moving after accelerating for 5 seconds? Okay? Okay. Ibig sabihin, meron tayong time na 5 seconds. Tama? Now, balik tayo sa mga given natin pang iba. Okay? A boat moves slowly out of a marina with a speed of 1.5 meters per second. Ano kaya yan? By unit analysis, meter per second is a velocity as well. Pero, yun guys, yung initial na velocity or initial speed nung boat na nai-record. Okay? Boat moves slowly out of a wake with a speed of 1.50 meter per second. Ibig sabihin, si 1.50 meter per second is the initial velocity. Tandaan nyo yan ha. At saka always remember, ang keyword naman dyan, kapag unang binanggit, yun ang initial velocity natin. But again guys, always remember na kailangan alam nyong i-analyze sino si final, sino si initial. By the way, hindi consistent lang. So, VO is simply equal to 1.50 meters per second. Now, how about the 2.4 meter per second square? By unit analysis, this is meter per second square. This is acceleration. Okay, so bibigay natin dito, or ilalagay natin dito, is we have the acceleration which is equal to 2.40 meters per second square. Okay? So, una, hinahanap natin si velocity. Now, if meron kang, sige, lagay na nga natin dito. Wait lang. Pag-solve ng problem natin, if meron tayong dalawang situations, bigay na natin kung ano yung hinahanap ang isa. For letter B, ang hinahanap naman natin is how far did the travel boat during that time. So, ang hinahanap sa atin is the displacement after the time. Pagka-travel mo from point A to point B, ilan na yung distance mo ngayon or ilan na yung displacement mo. So, ilalagay natin dyan. Sa A natin, ang hinahanap natin is the velocity. Tama? Tama ba? If you have given time, VO, acceleration, ano yung gagamitin mo? Take a look at your formula here. Okay? Meron ka daw time, meron kang initial velocity at saka acceleration. Meron kang time, meron kang initial velocity, pero wala ka nito at saka wala ka pa ng final velocity. So basically, hindi pwede ito. Tama? Next naman is that meron kang time, meron kang initial velocity, meron kang acceleration, pero hindi naman ito yung hinahanap natin. So, hinahanap natin is velocity for una, di ba? Ibig sabihin, hindi pa rin yan ang gagamitin nating formula for letter A or the hinahanap natin na velocity. Next, nakakita ka dito. You have the initial velocity, you have the acceleration, pero again, wala ka pang delta x, wala ka pa rin final velocity. So, ano lang natitira? For problem number 1 or problem A, ang gagamitin natin is yung una. So, use V is equal to VO plus, wait nga, anipis. V is equal to VO, V is equal to VO, initial velocity, plus AT. So, sabihin, for V, this is simply equal to, ano yung VO natin? We have 1.50 meters per second plus 2.40 meters per second square multiplied by the time na 5 seconds. So, nasa ilalim to wait lang. Okay. Meters per second square. Kaya pag na-cancel yan, magiging meters per second na lang. Magiging isa na lang yan, di ba? Magiging isa na lang yan. Ayan, ganyan. So, meter per seconds na lang. So, pagka kinumpute natin to, so 1.5 times 2.4 times 5 seconds. Seconds to seconds. Kinancel ko lang. Ayan. Ikaw ay makakakuha ng ilan? Okay? So, you have plus pala to, plus. Hindi pa na siya times. So, 1.5 plus 2.4 times 5, this is equal to 13.5. Since meter per second to, meter per second na lang yung unit natin. So, 13.5 meters per second. So, ito na yung sagot natin for problem letter A. Okay. Next, for letter B naman, how far, buburahin ko muna itong nasa taas, I hope na kakasunod, pakitingnan yan. Ito yung problem natin for that. Yun lang, itong pagtingin sa formula, cancel ko lang kung alin dyan yung mga hindi natin magagamit kasi hindi naman natin hinahanap. So, ngayon, iba naman yung hahanapin natin na formula. Okay? Kapag ka naman guys, ang hinahanap natin is the displacement. By the way, si x nga is also equal to delta x, especially kung ang reference point is equal to 0. Na-explain ko kanina yon sa concept. So, yun. For letter B naman, how far did the boat travel? So, delta x hinahanap sa atin dito. Tama? X or delta x. O, yun lang din yun. Okay? Now, kung titingnan nyo lang siguro yung mga delta x natin dito. Okay? Alin ba yung meron tayo? So, we have delta x, meron ka ng VO, meron ka ng V, meron ka ng time. So, basically, pwede pala nating gamitin yung formula natin na to. Tama? Wait lang. So, pwede. Ayan. And then, meron ka rin delta x dito. Also, you have initial velocity. And then, you have the acceleration, you have the time. Actually, pwede mo na rin itong gamitin Okay? So, either way, kung ano man yung gagamitin mo dyan, pwede rin. Actually, ito pang isa yun. So, we have the final velocity, the initial velocity, the acceleration, and the change in position. So, pwede mo namang ding gamitin yung formula natin na yun. Okay? So, ayun lang guys. Either of which, parehas lang naman yung ano tawag dito? Parehas lang din naman guys yung makukuha natin. Okay, so ano pa ba yung pwede nating gawin dyan? Okay, so let's say delta x wait lang, is equal to initial velocity. Ito na lang siguro formula na to. Use formula. Wait lang. Use natin yung formula na delta x is equal to 1/2 VO plus V multiplied by T. Okay? So, delta x is equal to 1/2. Ano yung VO natin? We have 1.5 plus 13.5 multiply the time it takes ng 5. So, the delta x is equal to 1/2 0.5 plus 13.5 times 5. So, this is equal to wait lang. Wait lang guys, para meron mali sana. So, delta x is equal to 1.5 times 5 1/2. Okay, this is tama lang, 67.5 meters. Okay. So, yun guys ang magiging sagot natin. Tama ba? So, we have 1/2 ng 1.5 plus 13.5 times 5. This is 37. Sorry, this is 37.5. Ba't ba 67.5? This is for delta x. This is equal to 37.5 meters. So, I hope guys yan yung nakuha natin. Okay? Wait lang. Ayun. So, this is 37.5 nga. So, yan yung sagot natin for this problem. Okay? Ayun, guys. So, paki-screenshot ulit to. Actually, madali lang naman eh. Kung alam mo lang talaga yung ginagawa mo, alam mo yung kung ano yung kino-consider natin. Basically, guys, madali lang talaga siya. Okay? So, yun guys. This is for sample problem number